We're off to the Wieliczka, I think that might be how you say it. Apologies again actually for anything that I've mispronounced in Polish. So we're off to do a tour of the salt mine here. We're just out of Krakow. We don't know a lot about it, but we're looking forward to seeing what's down there. Underground at the Wieliczka mines. Quite an amazing place to come to. It's huge. The tour is really good because the guy's giving us heaps of good information about how the mine used to be worked and how it contributed to the prosperity of Poland. But this place we're in now is incredible. So the chandeliers, everything, it looks like crystal, but it's all made out of salt. So what's the one thing you haven't done but that you are allowed to do down here?
This is the first church where I've actually been encouraged to lick the walls.
I still think you should.
I have. Very salty.
Lots more interesting things to see down here. The chamber we were just in, apparently in the 19th century you would get greeted by a full orchestra if you came down to visit it, and in this one it seems to be a whole lot of souvenir shops, and if you weren't brave enough to lick the walls like Neil was, you can buy some potato chips to get your salt fix. Well, we're on the outskirts of Krakow and we are waiting for the bus to take us into the old town, see what that place has to offer.
And where did we stay last night?
We stayed at a place called El Camp just over there, which is actually a motorhome dealership and service centre. But they also have an air on site, so we're staying there. We've been in Poland for a week now and we have finally made it into Krakow. We're up at Castle, which is where the sort of kings of Poland used to live. We've got the Wieliczka on one side and this amazing courtyard behind us, so now we're going to go and see what else there is in Krakow. We've just been for a look inside the cathedral here at the castle. You can't take any photos inside, so we can't show you what it's like, but it is full of black marble and gold and extremely ornate. Poland seems to have more churches than any other country we've been to so far, and they're a good alternative to art galleries and museums because the artworks in them are incredible. We decided we needed to treat ourselves because we've hit the 5-month travel fatigue barrier. So we're splashed out on a Polish and an English breakfast, and we're going to enjoy this by the square watching the horses. getting back our energy with breakfast, we then walked across the square to the cloth hall. The cloth hall was a Renaissance outtrading post, and it still sells souvenirs, anything from religious icons to amber to ceramics. From the cloth house we walked to the Jewish quarter. You can visit the synagogue there, they have a Jewish cemetery, and we also found some really cool street art.
Another bridge, we know?
Another bridge. I thought the one in Ljubljana was quite impressive for padlocks, but this one here in Krakow, which is sort of a double bridge, has got probably 10 times as many padlocks.
Must be a lot of loving in Krakow.
There must be. We've just been into Schindler's factory. I actually thought it was just a museum about Oskar Schindler, but it turns out they have a permanent exhibition here which is about Krakow itself during World War II. It's an extremely good exhibition to come to, very atmospheric, and it's got some quite amazing art installations in it as well. So you get the story of Oskar Schindler and how he helped the Jews, but also the story of Krakow. So what's our traditional Polish lunch today?
Polish first, with the potato.
It's enormous.
Another successful lunch, we know?
Very successful.